Dear students, in this video I will tell you the strategy to score 95 plus in biology exam. As you all know that your icse exams are starting from 21st February 2024 and still there are 15 days left so that you can easily prepare your biology syllabus in these 15 days. Your biology exam is on 18th of March and you have 2 days gap between the last exam you will have on 15th of March, and after that you will have 2 days gap, and then you will have biology exam. In that you can do only revision, and meanwhile if you have not studied so far, you can easily get through the entire syllabus in just 15 days. If we will start it from today, that is 4th of February, you can easily finish all the chapters till 18th of February. I have segregated these biology chapters into easy, moderate and hard chapters. So the 6 chapters are very easy and you can complete 2 chapters a day. Cell cycle and structure of chromosomes, chapter number 1. Transpiration, that is chapter number 4. Photosynthesis, chapter number 5. Excretory system, chapter 8. Endocrine system, chapter 11. And pollution, chapter 15 are very easy chapters according to me, and they cover a majority of the portion of the paper. So these chapters you can complete, each 2 chapters you can complete each day. Okay, one day you can complete cell cycle and transpiration, the second day you can complete photosynthesis and excretory system, and third day you can complete endocrine and pollution. So 3 days you can complete these 6 chapters very easily. They are not so lengthy chapters and they are very easy. Next is moderate chapters. Moderate chapters include absorption by roots, that is chapter number 3, plant hormones, chapter number 6, evolution, chapter number 13, and population and control, that is chapter number 14. So in this, absorption by roots is a slightly lengthy chapter, so you can do this chapter 1 in one day, because you have to cover the other subjects as well. So I'm taking into account that also. With other subjects you have to do these chapters day wise. Plant hormones and evolution you can do easily cover in one day, and population and control again you can cover it in one day. So these are the 4 moderate chapters, and then you have the hard chapters, they are slightly lengthy chapters also, and they cover the major portion of the paper also. Genetics you can cover in only one day. Circulatory system you can complete in one day. Nervous system and sense organ will require 2 days to complete, and reproductive system you can cover in one day. So total how many days you have you can complete the entire syllabus? 1 day 2 chapters, so 3 days these 6 chapters, 4 day, 5 day, 6th day, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Total 11 days you can cover the entire syllabus if you will revise the chapters one by one. Okay, now let's see that now still you have 11 days and you have still 2-3 days left. In that you can go through your previous year's questions as well as the diagrams that I will tell you in the another video, that which diagrams are frequently asked in the papers. You can go through that, because one of the other diagrammatic, apart from diagrammatic questions, you have some drawing or sketching diagrams questions are also there. So in that 2 days you can solve some previous year's questions, MCQs and some critical thinking questions, so that you have an revision of entire syllabus. Now let's see the questions for this upcoming exams, that each chapter how many number questions are asked. So cell cycle and structure of chromosomes, it covers you can see so many questions are asked. 12 to 14 marks questions can be asked from this chapter. 1 to 4 marks from transpiration, 12 to 14 marks from photosynthesis. Although it is a very short chapter, very easy chapter, and still so many marks are covered in the paper. Your paper is of 100 marks. 3 to 5 marks from excretory system, 4 to 5 marks from endocrine system, and 4 to 6 marks of pollution. So major 2 chapters here are major, that is cell cycle and photosynthesis. In moderate chapters, you can see here 3 to 5 marks absorption by roots, 3 to 5 marks plant hormones, 4 to 6 marks evolution and population and control, 2 to 3 marks. So these moderate chapters cover a less portion, approximately 10 marks. 20 marks questions are approximately from these moderate chapters. And next is the hard chapters, which cover major portion of the paper, that is 8 to 10 marks from genetics, 8 to 10 marks from circulatory, 12 to 17 marks from nervous system and sense organ, and 12 to 14 marks from the reproductive. So again, these 2 chapters are very important, nervous and reproductive. Now, if you have not learned anything in the entire year and you have a problem regarding preparing the biology syllabus, so you can leave some of the chapters which cover least portion of the पेपर, जो पेपर में बहुत कम आते हैं उसको आप छोड़ सकते हैं, और जो इम्पॉर्टेंट चैप्टर्स हैं जो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, अगर 5-6 चैप्टर आप पढ़ लेंगे अच्छे से तो आपका अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 60 to 70% जो है सिलेबस कवर हो जाएगा और आप अच्छे मार्क्स ला सकते हैं, above 75%. That is, one is cell cycle and photosynthesis, and next is nervous system and sense organ, reproductive system, circulatory system. These chapters are very, very important for regarding the point of view from exams. And the other short chapters, if you want to leave, you can leave. Pollution and population are very easy chapters. Even if you don't go through them once also, then even simple questions are asked from this, then you can easily answer that questions. Okay, so pollution is the one chapter that you can leave, because pollution you study in chemistry also, in geography also. So you have a little bit idea of pollution. And population and control, this also you can leave if you want, because very less number of questions are asked from it, 2 to 3 marks, and here 4 to 6 marks. And one chapter that I also want to mention, if you have a hard time preparing for the exams, then you can also leave plant hormones, because some questions will be asked in optional part also, that is section B. So you can leave plant hormones also. So at least these 3 chapters you can omit, and if you want, if you just want 75% or 80%, then you can leave this evolution also. Okay, so these 3-4 chapters you can leave it just for a while if you have a very hard time preparing for the syllabus. आप ये 4 चैप्टर छोड़ सकते हैं, पॉपुलेशन, पोल्यूशन, एवोल्यूशन और प्लांट हार्मोन्स, और पॉपुलेशन और पोल्यूशन में से थोड़े बहुत जो भी जनरल क्वेश्चंस होते हैं वो आप इजीली आंसर कर सकते हैं. तो 4-5 चैप्टर्स you have to, if you will prepare these easy chapters and hard chapters, the chapters which cover the majority of the marks, then you will easily go through the paper. And in these moderate chapters, you can see they are covering very less numbers in the paper. So if you want, you can just leave these chapters according to your discretion, that which chapters you want to omit. But I think that you can easily leave these 4 chapters if you have a very hard time preparing for the exams. So this is a basic description of the chapters and the marks questions from each chapter, so that you can easily prepare for your upcoming exams. I will give you a detailed analysis of chemistry preparation also, because you have a long gap for chemistry exam, that is 6 days you are having. So in that 6 days only you can prepare your entire syllabus thoroughly. For that I will give you tips and tricks in my next video. Thank you.